Hello, everyone. This is Attorney Benitez with the Marc Lopez Law Firm.
I'm Attorney Matthew Crow's Marc Lopez Law Firm.
And we are here today to talk about the Second Amendment. Matt, does everybody have the right to bear arms?
Well, the Second Amendment affords the United States citizens the right to bear arms. However, that right is not absolute. For example, if you come to this country illegally, you do not have the exact same rights as somebody who's here legally or who's a citizen that would have under the Second Amendment. So you actually have to go through steps, go through the process in order to actually be able to buy a gun legally, to own a gun, and to have the rights under the Second Amendment afforded to you. Mr. Benitez, we've had a very similar case like this in federal court. Why don't you kind of talk to them about that a little bit here?
Yeah, so if you are illegally or undocumented in this country and you possess a firearm, it doesn't matter if it's to protect your family. It doesn't matter if you like to go hunting. You cannot possess a firearm. That's actually a federal crime. And you're looking at a maximum penalty of 10 years. You can also, at the state level, it's a felony 6. So the maximum penalty at the state level is a little bit lower. The maximum penalty is 2.5 years in jail. But Matt, can you tell everybody here what the trend that we're seeing now with these firearm cases?
Absolutely. The problem is with these firearm cases, Indianapolis specifically, incrementally seeing gun violence crimes increase every single year since 2016. So 2016 through 2020, where we're at now, gun violence is actually escalating every single year. So we're seeing these cases go federally a lot more often. Anytime the federal government believes they have what they would call a home run, slam dunk, whatever you want, whatever sports analogy or any other analogy you want to use, case, they're going to pick that from the state. So, for example, the United States government hates losing cases. So if there's a chance that your case can be won at trial, odds are it's going to stay at the state level because the United States attorney doesn't want to get involved with that. But if they believe there's a 99% chance they're going to win this case, they're probably going to take it from the state and they're going to charge you federally. And as Mr. Benitez said beforehand, in the federal government, you're looking potentially at a crime punishable up to 10 years in federal prison. If you're an undocumented person or if you're here illegally, you actually have to serve that sentence. You have to serve that prison sentence before any kind of removal proceedings can take place. So if you find yourself charged with a gun crime, it's very important that you find attorneys who understand your rights, who understand the complications, who understand the fact that your case could go federally. Now, Mr. Benitez, for a case to go federal, or for an undocumented case to go federal, you need more than just to just be undocumented, correct? You need to be deported first, or can they actually pull you right away?
Yeah, no. In fact, this is very different than the statute for illegal reentry. For this, all you have to do is be here undocumented and be in possession of a firearm, and they can bring charges against you federally. So it's very important. If you get arrested or charged with a federal crime or a state crime or any crime whatsoever, please call the Marc Lopez Law Firm. Remember, plead the 5th.